Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add simple banner on top location or bottom location in our website in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add top bar like notification or announcement. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write simple banner. So this is plugin simple banner. Easily add multiple banners, bar, notification, announcement to the top or bottom of your website. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see simple banner. So click on it. So we are in simple banner setting and then you see multiple option, multi banner support. If you want to add, then you can purchase pro license. And then you see select banner 1, hide simple banner. If you want you can hide it, no. Now you see multiple option. Now you see close button, expiration. If you want you can add it. And then you see simple banner font size. For example 16px, so you can add according to your requirement. Simple banner background color you can set. Now you see. So click on it. So you can select from here. Simple banner text color white. Simple banner link color, if you want you can add it. So you can do color setting according to your requirement. And now you see simple banner text, so you can add. Now you see we added some text. So this is our preview. Now you see we are moving to a new location. And then you see simple banner position, footer, static, absolute, fixed, relative, sticky. So you can select according to your requirement. So we select fixed. Now you see. If you want you can add a top margin, add a top padding. So it's up to you, that index. Now you see multiple option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see top bar notification show. So you can add some padding or margin. Now back to plugin setting. Now we select absolute and then click on save changes again. So click on it. Now save changes done. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now you see when we scroll down, top bar height, so you can add some padding or margin using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.